Hello, I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. If you're like me, you have several spaces, several rooms, areas of your home, whether it's your attic or your garage or your basement, where you store things, and they end up sitting there for so long that you kind of forget that you have them. I was looking for something completely unrelated when I remembered this old Lionel boxed set that I picked up at a swap meet a long time ago. I had the opportunity to set it up and play with it for a little bit. And I thought you might like to take a look at it too, because it's pretty cool. It's something I wanted as a kid, and I bought when I was probably in my 30s or 40s. And I don't know why I kept it packed away for so long. I wish I had brought it out sooner. So here it is.
At first glance, you may think that I'm opening a brand new, never opened before Lionel train set from the 1970s. But it's not. 25 or 30 years ago, I bought this at a train show, brought it home, looked at it for a while, and then packed it up in plastic and packaging tape. It's been in my basement ever since, stacked on a shelf with a few other Lionel train sets from my childhood. Hopefully, I'll be able to get this plastic back on after the video, but if not, that's okay. What's inside, though, while it's not new, is actually in really good shape. The box shows just minor wear and a few creases around the corners, but it's still together and very solid. It's also done a great job of protecting this little Amtrak passenger set. It's been a long time, but I don't think these plastic bags came from Lionel. It's more likely that they're from the produce department of whatever grocery store we shopped at 2 decades ago, but they've kept these cars looking nearly like new. There are 2 passenger coaches, an observation car, and a Vista Dome, all pulled by a single-motored Alco, and all decorated in Amtrak's original paint scheme. This style of shell is my preferred type of Lionel Alco A unit. I like the enclosed apron without the front coupler. That may be functional and even useful for making a powered and dummy AA setup, but this has always looked more realistic to me. Just out of curiosity, I decided to look for this on eBay. I wasn't able to find a complete boxed set, but there were several auctions that offered the cars and locomotive. These prices seem a bit unrealistic to me. I'm pretty sure you could find the diesel and 4 cars for less than $100 at a train show or swap meet. It might require some patience and negotiation, but it could be done.